Hello everyone. Almost everyone in their lives has likely experienced sore throat. People often describe this symptom as painful, dry, or scratchy feeling in the throat. Sore throat is one of the most common symptoms. It accounts for more than 13 million visits to doctor's office each year. Throat pain is often caused by viral and bacterial infection. It is also caused by allergies, dry air, and outdoor pollution. Most of these illnesses are viral infections that would not respond to antibiotics. So it is very important to identify whether it is due to bacterial, viral, or any other causative factors. Throat pain due to bacterial infection is called as strep throat. Here in strep throat, the causative factor is group A Streptococcus bacteria. The symptoms of viral and bacterial infections are slightly different. So let us see how to differentiate between strep throat and sore throat. Bacterial strep throat can come on suddenly with a fever, but there will be no cough. Now in case of viral sore throat, the infections tend to happen more gradually. There will be cough, runny nose or hoarseness that changes the voice of a person's voice. Some people may also have conjunctivitis or pink eye symptoms. In case of bacterial strep throat, there will be fever greater than 101 degree Fahrenheit. You can also find swollen tonsils and swollen lymph nodes. In comparison, viral sore throat is accompanied by mild or no fever. Last thing you should check is the tonsil area. In case of bacterial strep throat, you will notice very red swollen tonsils with occasional white patches on it as shown here. So here in this video, we will see some natural home remedies to treat sore throat. Salt water. Gargling with warm salt water is one of the simplest and most effective home remedies for sore throat. The salt here pulls out the mucus from your swollen and inflamed tissue. Saltwater gargling helps to relieve the discomfort and scratchy throat. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in lukewarm water. Do the saltwater gargling for several times each day. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that protect us from a variety of infections. Turmeric milk is a grandma's hidden remedy. Many doctors recommend taking a teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm milk to treat sore throat and common cold. Lozenges. Some over-the-counter throat lozenges contain benzocaine, menthol, and eucalyptus oil. Non-menthol throat lozenges generally uses zinc gluconate as a soothing agent. Zinc has always been associated with faster resolution of nasal congestion, nasal drainage, sore throat, as well as improvement of cough. Cough drops and hard candies increases the production of saliva, which keeps the throat moist and lubricated. Honey. Honey is one of the best remedy for sore throat. It has natural antibacterial properties. Honey acts as a wound healer. It immediately relieves the pain and reduces the inflammation. Drinking tea or warm lemon water mixed with honey is a common age-old tradition for sore throat. You can take 2 teaspoons of honey at bedtime to reduce cough and improve sleep. Try OTC pain relief. According to research, most of the sore throats are caused by viruses. If it was bacterial sore throat, then we could have treated it with antibiotics. But in case of viral sore throat, you have to let the virus run its course in your body. So to relieve viral sore throat, you can use NSAIDs such as ibuprofen, naproxen to reduce inflammation and swelling in your throat. This medication can also relieve soreness and scratchiness. Stay hydrated. I know swallowing hurts in sore throat, but staying hydrated is very important to treat sore throat. If you are dehydrated, then your body will not produce enough saliva and mucus to keep your throat naturally lubricated. Drink water, tea or soup. Steam inhalation and humidifier. Turn on a cool mist humidifier to increase the amount of moisture in your room. And if you don't have a humidifier, you can still get a relief by taking a hot shower. Steam from a warm shower loosens the mucus and can moisturize and soothe your sore throat. You can also take a steam from hot water in any container. Raise your head. Lying flat can cause swelling due to increase in pressure at the back of the throat. So try to elevate the bed or put 1 or 2 pillows under your head. The extra height will help you breathe easier and reduce the pain and discomfort. Lemon water. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Squeezing a lemon in warm water can help break up mucus and provide instant relief from irritating sore throat. Vitamin C also helps to boost immune system. Antibiotics. Antibiotics treat infections caused by bacteria like strep throat. Penicillin or amoxicillin is the antibiotic of choice to treat group A strep pharyngitis. Azithromycin is also a great choice for upper respiratory tract infection. However, we request you not to take any medication without consulting your doctor. But here I would like to add an important point that never stop your antibiotic in middle of the course. It can lead to antibiotic resistance, which means the same antibiotic might not be effective if you get the same infection again. So keep this in mind. Things to avoid when you have sore throat are dry air, smoking, acidic foods or spicy foods, then lying down immediately after eating, especially if you have acid reflux. There are other natural remedies for sore throat like licorice root, marshmallow root, apple cider vinegar, peppermint, herbal tea, cinnamon, baking soda, pomegranate, garlic, tomato juice, and clove tea. So make sure you keep yourself well hydrated and take proper rest. Hope you liked our video. Share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.